The end product in the following sequence of reactions is, the first compound is alkyne. What is there on the arrow? HgSO4 and H2SO4. So alkyne, when HgSO4 and H2SO4 is there on the arrow, it is hydrolysis. After hydrolysis you will get enol, tautomerases to form aldehyde. Let us see that one. HC triple bond CH. If HgSO4 and H2SO4 are there on the arrow, it is hydrolysis. After hydrolysis, hydrolysis means H goes to one carbon atom, OH goes to another carbon atom. So CH double bond CH OH. This is enol. Enol tautomerases to form aldehyde. So what will I get? CH3 CHO. Means compound A is aldehyde, acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde is treated with Grignard's reagent. Acetaldehyde, when treated with Grignard's reagent, you will get secondary alcohol. Secondary alcohol on oxidation will give ketone. So now let us see the next reaction. So what I am getting? CH triple bond CH. On the arrow, HgSO4 and H2SO4 are there, means I will get CH3 CHO. Now this is treated with which compound? CH3MgX. So what will I get? Secondary alcohol I will get. So what is the secondary alcohol? CH3 COH CH3H. This is the secondary alcohol. This secondary alcohols on further oxidation will give ketone. So CH3 C double bond O CH3. This is the compound obtained. This is acetone. So the final product obtained in this reaction is acetone. Your answer.